And the song I have today is Trust and Obey, and it's on page 571.
When we walk with the Lord in the light of His Spirit, glory meets our way.
Shall we do?
All we do is goodwill. He abides with us still. And when we trust and obey, oh, trust and obey, for there's no other way to be happy in Jesus is to trust and obey.